Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can import and use your custom downloaded skin on Minecraft. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to use a custom skin in Minecraft, you first need to download the skin that you will use. But if you already have downloaded your skin, you can skip this step. So to download a skin, first, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser in your device. And once you're on your web browser, you can now search for Minecraft skins to download. And after searching, you will now see many websites where you can download a skin, so just go to the website you like. In my case, I will go to this website. And once you're on the website, you will now see many different Minecraft skins you can download, so just select the skin that you want. And after that, you will then be able to see a full preview of the skin that you selected. This is where you can decide if you really like to download the skin or not. And if you've already decided that you want this skin, you can now tap the download button. And after that, the skin will now be finally downloaded. So after downloading it, the skin template will then be saved to your gallery. So we will need to import this skin template in Minecraft in order to use the skin. So now that you're on Minecraft, I want you to go to the dressing room. So here in the dressing room is where you can change your Minecraft skin, and this is also where you can use the custom skin you've downloaded. So to do that, I want you to tap this. And then tap this empty skin right here. And after that, tap the Choose New Skin button. And then select Gallery. And then after that, you will now find your skin template, so just go and tap it. And after that, your Minecraft skin will now be imported. You can now go back to your Minecraft homepage. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now used your custom downloaded skin on Minecraft. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.